Hello everyone. In the previous video, we started a new chapter about adjectives and degrees of comparison. That was a combined video for class 7th and class 8th both. And in that video, I explained about the adjectives, that it is the uh, words which describe about the noun. The word which describes about a noun, those words are called adjective. And I described about there are six kinds. Quality, the adjective which describes quality, suppose that beautiful, tall, handsome. The words which describes quality about a noun, that is adjective of quality. Quantity means the words which describes about the quantity of noun. Several problems, little water, much uh, much water. These types of words, that is quantity. Third is number, those adjectives which act as a number, which can be countable, which are countable. Few students, and uh, there are 5 apples on the table. Those types of adjectives are the adjective of number. Fourth is demonstrative. The adjective is demonstrate something, which are used to show something. This pen is mine. Those students are of class 8. This, that, those, which are used to demonstrate something or to indicate something. Those types of adjectives are called demonstrative. Interrogative means interrogation, asking questions: which, how, what, which book is this, where are you going. These types of adjectives were called interrogative. And possessive means someone's ownership. Suppose that if I say this is my pen, so pen, the ownership of the pen is describing by the word my. It is his book. The ownership of the book is being described by his, the word his. So the word which describes the ownership of a noun, and it acts as an adjective, that is a possessive adjective. These 6 adjectives I explained you in the previous video, that was combined for 7th and 8th both. But the 4 more type of adjectives were there, which is of for class 8th only. So that those 4 more remaining adjectives I will be describing here. Seventh is proper adjectives. Those adjectives which are used as a proper noun. Means suppose that what is a proper noun? Particular name of someone. India, Faizabad, or Atul. Any proper name of anyone, that is called proper noun. And in that way, if I form a proper, I take a proper noun and convert it into an adjective. Suppose that India, and we make it an Indian. We convert it into a adjective. He is an Indian boy. He is an Indian. She is an Indian girl. So Indian girl. So girl is the noun, and Indian is the describing about that noun. And so Indian became adjective, but Indian is the word which has made of a proper noun itself. India, by converting India, we made it Indian. Suppose that if I say China is a Buddhist country, Buddhist, then China is a Buddhist country. Country is the noun, and Buddhist is the word which is describing about the quality of the country. So it will be a adjective. But again, Buddhist is the word which has been formed by the word Buddha, out of the word Buddha. So by the word Buddha, it became Buddhist. So it has made from the proper noun. So that is why it will be a proper adjective. So these types of adjectives are called proper adjectives. Emphasizing adjectives. Emphasizing means giving more emphasis, more force on someone. It increases or decreases the effect of noun. Suppose that he is his condition is severe. He met a severe injury. So severe, it is describing about the effect of the noun. No? The injury can be very minute also. It can be severe also. Accurate. I got the accurate marks which was required to pass. Means very accurate thing, very that type of noun which tells about the which describes about the increase or decrease of the effect. Absolute. These types of adjectives are called emphasizing adjectives. Ninth one is participle adjectives. Participle means participle verb we also have learned. Participle means anything, any work which is going on. Suppose that if in present continuous form or past continuous tense we have studied that ing form is the participle form. Continuous in continuous, that is ing form. So if any work is being going on, and that going on work is used as an adjective, that going on work, that continuing work is used as an adjective, that is called participle adjective. Which the verbs which are used as an adjectives, the going on work. Suppose that running train. Here train is a noun and running is is describing about train. So running became adjective, and again then coming about when we see about running, then we come to know that running means a train which is not stopped, it is continuously working, it is going on. So this type of adjective are called participle adjectives. Means simple thing is that ing, most of the adjectives ing will be found, and that type of adjective will be participle adjective. Flying saucer. So flying, work is being going on, that is why ing is put here. So that type of adjective are called participle adjective. And the 10th one is nouns as adjectives. Some nouns are there which are used as an adjective. Suppose that if I say diamond ring, here ring is the noun and diamond has come for ring. Diamond is adjective here. But if again we see, diamond is also a noun, but here it is not a noun. Here it is acting as an adjective for the word ring. Ring is noun and diamond is adjective here. So words which are basically which are noun, but when they act as an adjective, they are called nouns as adjectives. Suppose that if I say stone wall, here stone is the word which has come for wall. Wall is the noun and stone is the adjective here. But if we see carefully, stone is itself a noun, but here it is acting as an adjective for the word wall. That is why this is the nouns as adjectives. So these were the 10 kinds of nouns. And the next topic is position of adjective, where the adjective is placed in the sentence. In some sentence, adjective is placed just before a noun. Suppose that if I say he is an intelligent boy, so intelligent boy, it is written here, intelligent boy. Intelligent boy means boy is the noun and intelligent is telling about the quality of the noun. So that is why intelligent boy. But this is the attributive adjective, because the adjective has come before the noun. She is a beautiful lady. If I say lady is the noun and beautiful is the word which is describing about the lady, and that is why beauty is the adjective here, but it is coming before the noun, that is why it will be the attributive adjective. It is telling the position of the adjective, that is why it will be attributive. And the predicative is something when the adjective is placed after a noun. Suppose that if I say you look handsome, so here handsome is the word which has come for you, and because handsome is an adjective and it has come after the noun, that is why it will be a predicative. It is not, handsome has not come before the noun, it has come after noun, so that is why it will be predicative. And here the adjective has come before the noun, that is why it will be attributive. Where the adjective will come before the noun, it will be attributive, and where the word adjective will come after the noun, it will be the predicative. Suppose that if I say he is happy, so happy is the adjective here and it has come after the noun he, that is why it will be the predicative case. So that's all for today, and the homework I have sent you in the PDF format. Some exercises also I have sent you, and the remaining exercise we will be doing in the later video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.